All right, so we got some new products. Get an AdaBox because you'll get it.
It's like the last day you can do it.
Raspberry Pi announced a bunch of stuff. These are all coming soon. Sign up. As soon as we get them, you get an email, and then you get them first.
And this is the accessory board. So this is the I/O board for the Raspberry Pi. So this is kind of like everything you could possibly do with it. So and it's only like $5 or so, and you get the UFO connector and the antenna. What a deal!
Yourself. We have PPE packs. So we have basic packs. We have packs with even more.
Yeah.
So we have this one. This comes with
Yeah,
mask.
it comes with a face shield. It comes with the no touchy. It comes with filtration mask. It comes with ear savers, which are really handy. This is conductive metallic nylon. So you can't solder to it, but you can sew to it, and you can cut it very easily. It basically acts as a gigantic capacitive touchpad. So it's great for, if you want to pass power or signal, great for capacitive touch. ESP32 S2 Express Metro has the latest ESP chip on it. It's Wi-Fi capable. Yeah, this is a new e-ink. This is a grayscale e-ink, which is cool. So shown here. Hey Google, what's an Adafruit?
According to Wikipedia, Adafruit Industries is an open-source hardware company based in New York City.
That's new products.
New.